Hi. Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn to create calculators for your formulas using FM Calculator Generator tool. If you are new and watching this video first time, please watch previous video by clicking the link shown above. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. In this tutorial, you will learn about FM Calculator Generator, learn about graphics user interface, learn to create sample calculator using FM Calculator Generator, learn to test this calculator and validate results. This is graphics user interface of FM Calculator Generator. There are 3 tabs: Calculator, Menu, About. Under Calculator tab, this is Calculator title, which will be shown on top of Calculator. Here you browse PNG image to insert in the calculator. This PNG image will be shown in Calculator on Sketch tab. By clicking on this button, you will open Input CSV Excel file. On CSV Excel file, you will type input variables, output variables, and formulas. Then save CSV file and close Excel. Click on this button to load CSV file to FM Calculator Generator. This will add all variables and formulas to these list boxes. By clicking on this button, HTML, JavaScript code will be generated for your calculator in this text box. This button will save HTML file to default folder. This button will open default folder. These are formulas for thickness calculations. For these formulas, we will create calculator. Let's start. Open this image. This image will be added to calculator. Open FM Calculator Generator tool. Type calculator title as shell thickness. Click here to browse PNG image for shell thickness calculator. Click here. Make copy of input file and rename to shell thickness. Open shell thickness CSV file in Excel. Type input variable description, input variables, and input variable units. Type internal pressure. Type inside diameter of vessel. Type allowable stress of material. Type joint efficiency. Type corrosion allowance. Type P, type DI, type S, type E, type CA, type MPa, type MM. Copy MPa and paste. For unitless variable, type dot. Type mm. Type internal radius. Type shell thickness longitudinal. Copy cell and paste. Edit text as required. Type RI, type TL. Type TC. Type mm for all these output variables. Type formula for inside radius, in JS formula column, and MathJax formula column, as shown here. It is noted that all variables in formulas shall be written carefully, and correct letters with case sensitive. Any mistake in variables and formulas shall result in failure of calculator. Click Save button in Excel. Click Load CSV File button. Select Shell Thickness CSV file. Click Generate Code button. Click Save HTML File button. Note that all files must be saved in same default folder. Type Shell Thickness as file name. Click Save. Shell Thickness Calculator generated successfully. Open Shell Thickness Calculator. Type values in text boxes. Click Calculate button. Shell thicknesses are calculated. Now click on Report tab to view calculation report. Click Sketch tab to view PNG image. Shell thickness calculator is working fine. Now validate the shell thickness calculator. This is shell thickness calculator. And this is manual calculation of shell thickness. Input values are same in both sides. Shell thicknesses are also same. Therefore, shell thickness calculator is validated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Fayaz Memon, for more videos and tutorials.